An update now on that case that caused outrage after a little girl was shot and killed on the first day of school by her own dad. Timothy Batts appeared before a Sumner County judge this morning. Batts is now officially charged with reckless homicide and false reporting, among other charges, in the shooting death of his 11-year-old daughter in August. A small group of his family members were also in court this morning, but they refused to talk with us. A judge set another bond review hearing for Batts later this month. A man working security at an Antioch bar drew his own weapon and shot a customer who refused to leave at closing time. It happened at Cat's Bar and Grill around 1 o'clock this morning. The employee, identified as John Parks, tried to get the man to leave, but the two eventually got into a fight. Parks ended up shooting at the customer, Leo Summers, grazing him in the face. Summers has minor injuries. Police found Parks at his home and charged him with aggravated assault. Well, you'll be hearing a lot about this over the weekend. The NFL's policies on domestic abuse are under fire this morning. New York Giants kicker Josh Brown admitted to verbally, emotionally, and physically abusing his wife. The journal entries just made public were part of a therapy program he was undergoing. Brown called himself a sex-addicted deviant. The popular player was investigated by the NFL and suspended for 1 game, but now many critics and sports analysts are saying that's not enough. His former wife alleged more than 20 instances of domestic abuse, but the criminal case was eventually dropped after she changed her mind and decided not to testify. And can you imagine driving along and suddenly find yourself behind the wheel of an unintended convertible? Hyundai is issuing an alarming recall of some of its vehicles, admitting more than 60,000 of the 2015 and 2016 Sonata's sunroofs have flown right off the car, landing in traffic. Owners are asked to go by their dealership to get the sunroof checked immediately. Again, that's 2015 and 2016 models of Hyundai Sonatas.